Hello students, I am back with new topic for you all. I hope so you liked my first video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So, our topic for today is kinds of sentences. So, in this, we are going to first learn what is a sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words giving a complete thought. A sentence must contain a subject and a verb. Although one may be blind, a sentence is a set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject and predicate, conveying a statement, question, exclamation, or command, and consisting of main clause and something one or more subordinate clause. So a sentence, from this we understand that a sentence is a group of words which is giving a complete thought, a complete meaning to us. So now let us see an example of this. For example, the cat is sleeping in the sun. So here the subject is the cat is sleeping in the sun. Sleeping in the sun is the predicate. So in this sentence it makes a complete sense and we are understanding that the cat is sleeping in the sun. There is a subject and predicate both in this sentence. Now next, sentences are classified into two ways, according to its use and according to the form. So in this video, first today we are going to learn according to the use. So according to the use, the sentences are classified in four types, that is a declarative sentence, an imperative sentence, an interrogative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So a declarative sentence, first we will see what is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. In a declarative sentence, the subject usually comes before the verb. It starts with a capital letter and ends with full stop. So in declarative sentence, the sentence makes a complete statement. For example, I love my dog. I love my dog. So in this sentence, I am declaring that I love my dog. For example, I am a teacher. I am a student. So in these types of sentences, we are declaring that we are something. Okay, so this type of sentence, it contains a verb in it and it ends with a full stop and starts with a capital letter. Next, what is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentence is one which expresses a request, command, or an order. Imperative sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Generally, the subject is not mentioned in and only the predicate is expressed. So in imperative sentence, what happens? There is no subject mentioned and it ends with a full stop and starts with a capital letter. But there is no subject in imperative sentence. For example, please give me a glass of water. So in this sentence, we are requesting. So when we request or we command or order, that time that sentence is known as imperative sentence. Then comes what is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is one that asks a question. In interrogative sentence, question is being asked. Interrogative sentence are punctuated with question marks. At the end there is a question mark in this sentence. Where are my keys? So in this I am asking ki where are my keys and question mark. So this type of sentences are known as interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? Where are you going? This type of sentences where we ask question. Next, what is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses great emotion or excitement. It ends in an exclamation mark. So in exclamatory sentence, we are expressing our emotion or excitements. So for example, help, our house is on fire, and it ends with exclamatory mark. So whenever there is an exclamatory mark in the sentence, it denotes that that sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. For example, hooray, we won the match. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a few tips to remember these four types of sentences. So declarative sentence, it tells us something. In declarative sentence, please remember that sentence tells us something and it ends with a period, that is a full stop. In interrogative sentence, ask a question, ends with a question mark. Exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling and it ends with exclamatory mark. Imperative sentence, it gives a command and ends with a period or exclamation mark. So that's all for today. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press on the like icon. Thank you.